Hey guys, welcome to What's Up With That with Matt. I am Matt, your host, and today we're going to be looking at a product that I picked up for the purposes of this video, and it is the Boltune wireless earbuds. Model is BT-BH024, and these are kind of similar to the AirPods, the Apple AirPods, except these are going to be more compatible with your Android phones. They are compatible with iPhone and other Apple products as well. Basically anything that has Bluetooth. So why don't we just get right down to it and take a closer look. Okay, so when you first receive your Boltune True wireless stereo earbuds, they're going to come in a box. Looks like this. It says Boltune on the front, True wireless stereo earbuds, and have the model number on the back as well as some information about the company, their address, QR code. I'm not sure exactly what that does. We'll have to scan it in a little while and try and figure that out. The website on that side and on that side, and let's open them up. Now I will be putting a link in the description for the Amazon listing where you can purchase these if they look like something you might want to get. Okay, so first thing you'll see is a kind of like a quick start guide. It basically shows you that you need to open the case, obviously, and then it shows you how to pair them with your phone. Just basic Bluetooth pairing instructions. It does show that you can pair the left and the right individually so that you can use only one of them at a time if you don't feel like using both, which is, in my opinion, a nice feature. Okay, then you have a few bits of paperwork here, some warranty information, a quick start guide, probably a little more detailed than what they had there that we first saw, and a user guide. You also have what looks like some different size tips for the earbuds and a USB-C, very short USB-C charging cable. Alright, and finally, last but not least, the earbuds themselves. Now, one of the things that really drew me to these was the case. I know it's really just aesthetics, but that is a really nice looking case. It has some type of fabric on the outside of it. It's nice and soft. They also include a sticker on the bottom of it that gives you some information about the type of a charging block you should use with these. They're going to be USB-C, but there's many types of USB-C charging blocks out there. These are going to take what I would consider a very slow charger. It's showing 500 milliamps, 5 volts, 500 milliamps, which is half an amp. So your standard slow charger, what I would consider a slow charger, is going to be 5 volts, 1 amp. This is actually half of that. Now, I'm not sure if there's some type of chip in here that's going to regulate the power that's coming into it. So if you connected a higher powered charging block to it, would you do any damage? I really can't say, but something that I always like to do with electronics in general is try to go by what they list as the input for a device for the charging information. And whenever I charge it, I like to connect a charger that meets that criteria. Alright, so let's open them up, and here you can see we've got a serial number and the earbuds themselves. Now, they sit in this case, and there are some fairly strong magnets that kind of hold them into place. So like when you're putting them back, you really just got to get it somewhere close and they kind of snap right into place. Very strong magnets. Really nice feature in my opinion. You don't have to get them exactly perfect in the case when you're putting them away. just get it anywhere close by and they'll just snap right into place. Now, there's a lot of companies that are producing AirPod lookalikes. Some of them, they're really big and bulky, and they stand out from a mile away that they're really not AirPods. Now these, again, one of the things that drew me to them is their size. They're not nearly as bulky as some of the other imitation AirPods. I actually owned a pair of Boltune wireless earbuds previously that I enjoyed so much that when I saw these new ones that come out, I really wanted to try them. These have been great, guys. These are the BT-BH024. Now these are still being sold on Amazon, and I will leave a link in the description for these as well. These are also great wireless earbuds. Check them out. Now back to the BT-BH024s. I've tested them out a little bit, and let me tell you guys, they sound excellent. I mean, crisp high notes. I mean, the treble is clear, defined. You get the mid-range in there as well, and the bass is just, it's incredible. There's times when it sounds like there's a little 10-inch subwoofer in my ear. I mean, it's really impressive. So overall, really great earbuds. Definitely recommend you check them out. They will be on Amazon. Again, there's going to be a link in the description. These are the Boltune True Wireless Earbuds BT-BH024. Check them out. Thanks, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Going to be having a lot more great videos coming real soon. More reviews of tech products and other stuff too. So go ahead and subscribe, guys, and click notifications so you'll know when I upload a new video. Thanks.